So the question is, what can General Awany do, or what next for General Awany? General Awany, if an army reaches a retirement age, but the government refuses to retire them, several alternatives courses of action may be pursued. Now, the first one is legal action. The officer can file a legal complaint or seek a judicial review in the court system, citing employment laws, military regulations, and retirement policies to enforce their retirement rights. So these are one of the reasons which he can explore, is to take legal action, which I think he will not think of that. So that is the first reason. The second option is to negotiate. That is a negotiation. Well, in most countries, you realize that the person in charge of that one is the commander-in-chief, which is the president voted by the people, or depending on the system of the country, by the parliament maybe. So the person or the officer who has missed on retirement, who in other words retained in service, can opt to go for negotiations with the commander-in-chief so that his retirement, his or her retirement status is reconsidered if it is really something so pressing to the officer. The third step, or the third alternative option that can be considered, is petitioning higher authority. Petitioning is different from legal action. If the officer feels they are being unfairly retained, they could petition higher ranking officials or the commander-in-chief, that is often the president, explaining the situation and requesting formal retirement. That is petitioning. That is the third one. Well, the fourth one is retirement on medical ground. If the officer faces health issues, they could seek retirement based on medical conditions that may exempt them from further service. But I don't think this is an option with General Awany, because it has not been made public. So it's an option for general people, but in this specific case study, it will not enter. The fifth one is public advocacy or media engagement. In some cases, the officer may seek media attention or seek public advocacy. This is in most cases if the officer sees their refusal of retirement as unjust or politically motivated. So they decide to go to the public and, pump the things there, so that their plea or their inner feeling is expressed legally on media. The sixth alternative is to accept and continue service, also accepting continued service. Now, some people may think, now this guy is now against a general timer is coming to contest. No, I'm talking from a very independent perspective. This vlog, it will not be used only by you who is watching, or this knowledge is going to a great number of people. So if the refusal to retire is tied to a specific need or skill, the officer may choose to continue serving under the condition that their eventual retirement will be honored, possibly with additional benefits. So that is the sixth one, accepting continued service. So he can accept, but the eventual retirement in future, he can make it under condition that it should be honored with very additional benefits. Thank you for watching this. No negative energy. I know comment section is where it's like kitchen or it's like hell. So thank you so much, guys. I wish you a nice time, and if you're subscribed, you will keep on getting updates. You will be among the first people to get. Bye bye.